Now we are discussing about information technology. In that today we are discussing about main benefits of website optimization. The four main benefits of website optimization. There are many reasons to optimize your website for search engine ranking. Here are four of the most important. Those are: number one is increase traffic and conversions. When your website appears in search engine results pages, that is search engine results pages means SERPs, visitors are more likely to click through to see your content. Higher visibility also leads to increased web traffic and conversion rates, which can boost your business bottom line. And number two is second point is increased rankings. Positioning high on the search engine results pages, SERPs, can result in increased website traffic and conversion rates. In 2017, Google announced that a site would remain in the top spot for any given keyword for an average 7 months. That is a lot of opportunity to attract new customers and increase revenue. And third point is enhanced brand image. A well-optimized website projects a website image for your brand, whether you are selling products or services online. Visitors trust websites that rank high in search engine results pages, that is SERPs. This helps you build trust with potential customers who may be more likely to buy from you if they think you are credible and professional. Then fourth point is greater visibility on social media sites. A high-ranking website is more likely to show up in social media feeds, leading to even more online exposure. And interest in your brand or product. Next point is how to optimize your website for users. To optimize your website for users, it is important to understand that users are linking for and how they interact with websites. The following tips will help you to improve the usability and performance of your website. Next point is use clear navigation, and then incorporate useful images. Make your site responsive and optimize your website for speed and performance. These are the 4 points in optimization of website. Number one, we can discuss clearly. Use clear navigation. Users want to be able to navigate your website easily and quickly. Make sure that your navigation is easily to use and consistent throughout the site. Try to use tabbed menus or drop-down menus as well as simple text links instead of complex graphics or buttons. Next point is incorporating useful images. Images can help users learn about your products or services as well as find what they are looking for on your website. Include images that are relevant to the topic of your site and make sure that these images are high quality and legible. Next point is make sure your site is responsive. Today's users expect websites to be responsive, which means that the content and visuals look and good in any size or screen or device. Make sure that all of your content is optimized for mobile viewing, including videos, images, or articles. Additionally, make sure that all of the interactive elements on your site are also responsive, so that they work well on touch screens. And next point is optimize your website for speed and performance. Keeping your website speed and performance optimal will help attract more visitors who will spend more time on your site. Make sure that you are using caching mechanisms and optimization CSS files for browser performance. This is the information regarding many main benefits of website optimization. If all website builders are considering all these points, that their website will be optimized very well, and they can get a very good income also, and viewers will be increased. By that ads also they will see. By that ads clicking, they will get very good revenue also. All these things in a synopsis way, they will get a very good income. But your website should be a clear and correct content should be there. Then only all these blessings you will get. Wishing you all the best.